Welcome everyone to my subscribers. Thanks for checking back as usual. And to you new viewers, you guys should become subscribers. We're double dipping into the Instant Pot again. So we've done our first success, if you will, and hopefully you guys have tried making rice. Today we're going to do another one that's a nice introduction. This is green beans. So I've jumped already in and basically cleaned my green beans, and I've broken them up a little bit just because I've got little guys and I don't want the big long ones, but feel free to leave them long. You just got to make sure you break the ends and rinse them. So there's 24 ounces of fresh green beans in here. On top of that, I'm going to dump in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Feel free to use some straight out of a jar or whatever. 3 tablespoons. This is minced garlic. So this is going to be a butter garlic. And the lemon juice really is just to help kind of give it a splash to waken it up. And then I have, I'm going to say this is about a half of a tablespoon, or I mean a half a stick of butter, rather. And I've just broken it up into little pieces. That's just so that it'll blend through. We'll give that a quick separation, hopefully. We'll come back to that because I have about 1.5 cups of water. Make sure that, I'm sorry, that was 1 1/4. All right, so I'm just going to give this another quick spin. A little bit of salt. I'm not measuring, so I'm going to call that a pinch, but it's not even 1/4 teaspoon. Same thing with black pepper. You use what you like to your taste. Salt and pepper to taste. I used black pepper and sea salt. Lid is on. Turn to close. It says to go that way, and line up the arrows again. Remember that when it's on, mine, which is an Instant Pot Ultra, automatically defaults to the 6-minute mark. I hit pressure, and then I hit time, and these green beans are quick. 3 minutes. It's set. Set this on low, 3 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and hit start. Again, same thing as before, it's got to preheat. You'll see the little scale say, hey, I'm preheating. This has got to count all the way up the curve there. Once that does, then it'll kick in and do our 3-minute cook, and then we'll be ready to release it. As you can see, we switched over to cooking. The timer is blinking. It's 3 minutes. It took about almost 7 minutes to get this guy warmed up. That beeping sound means it's done. You can see that it says it's switched over to warm. I'm going to hit cancel. And then we've got to do a full release, or what is a quick release. And then all the there you go. You hear the click, you see it fall. So that means we are now safe to open. Remember, don't touch here. It says close goes that way, open goes this way. So hold by the handle, turn, and there you go. Some nice, juicy green beans. Ready to serve. Nothing needs to be done to these guys. And you can hear my little ones are excited to ready to eat. It's nice and hot. You get to see those nice bits of minced garlic in there. And I'm trying to get a little bit of the juice. Otherwise, that's all there is to it. Another introductory, easy, hopefully easy, Instant Pot recipe. You know, you could probably kick in some pearl onions or some green onions chopped up. Otherwise, you know the drill. Give this a try and let me know what substitutions you make for your green beans, how long you cook them, how much fluid you use, etc. And then just subscribe, share, like, comments down below, please. Give me that feedback. Let me know what you want to see next. Otherwise, check back for the next video. And as always, take care. Peace.